नमस्ते दोस्तों, द इंटरनेट ये वो चीज है जो हम हर दिन यूज करते हैं।
इट हैज चेंज्ड आवर वर्ल्ड। अपने लव्ड वंस से कनेक्ट होने से लेकर इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सेस करने तक द इंटरनेट हमारी लिव्स का एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट बन गया है। बट हैव यू एवर स्टॉप टू वंडर कि ये अमेजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी असल में वर्क कैसे करती है?
Let's unravel the mystery behind the internet और समझते हैं इसका magic. Imagine a world without the internet. No Google searches, no social media, no instant communication with friends and family across the globe. सोच पाना मुश्किल है, right? The internet has revolutionized the way we live, work and interact with the world. ये education, business, entertainment और बहुत कुछ के लिए एक essential tool बन गया है. The internet's impact on society is undeniable. It has democratized information, empowered individuals, and fostered global connectivity. Online education platforms से लेकर e-commerce giants तक, the internet ने countless opportunities create किए हैं और various industries को transform किया है. It has also facilitated social and political movements, enabling people to connect and mobilize for causes they believe in. But कैसे operate करता है ये vast network? What makes it possible for us to send emails, browse websites, and stream videos instantly? Aj, we will delve into the inner workings of the internet, exploring the key concepts and technologies that make it all possible. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of the internet.
The internet basically एक network of networks है. Millions of computers worldwide are interconnected, allowing them to communicate and share information. इसे एक giant spider web की तरह समझो, with each strand representing a connection between two computers. यह interconnectedness ही the internet को इतना powerful बनाती है. Unlike traditional telephone networks, which rely on dedicated lines for each connection, the internet uses a more flexible approach. Data is broken down into small packets and transmitted across multiple pathways. यह packet switching ensure करता है कि data अपने destination तक पहुंच सकता है, even if some connections are congested or unavailable. The internet's decentralized nature is one of its key strengths. There is no single point of control, which makes it resilient to failures. अगर network का एक part down हो जाता है, data can still be routed through alternative pathways. यह distributed architecture भी इसे सेंसर करना या information के flow को control करना मुश्किल बनाता है. The internet efficiently function करने के लिए एक robust infrastructure पर rely करता है. This infrastructure includes specialized computers called servers, networking devices called routers, and miles upon miles of cables, many made of optical fiber. Servers store websites, emails, and other data. Routers act as traffic controllers, directing data packets to their destinations. Optical fiber cables are the highways of the internet. They transmit data as pulses of light, enabling incredibly fast data transfer speeds. These cables crisscross continents and oceans, connecting countries and continents. For instance, undersea cables carry vast amounts of data between different parts of the world. The internet's infrastructure is constantly evolving and expanding. New servers, routers, and cables are added regularly to meet the growing demand for bandwidth. Yet continuous improvement ensures करता है कि the internet can handle the increasing volume of data generated by users worldwide. When you send an email, watch a video, or browse a website, the information is not sent as one big chunk. Instead, it's broken down into small packets. Each packet contains a portion of the data, along with information about its destination. These packets travel independently across the internet, like letters in a postal system. Routers packet switching make crucial role play करते हैं. They examine the destination address of each packet and determine the optimal route to forward it. Packets may take different paths to reach their destination, depending on network congestion and available connections. Once all the packets arrive at the destination, they are reassembled into the original message. This packet switching approach offers several advantages. It allows efficient use of network resources, as multiple data streams can share the same physical connections. It also provides redundancy, as packets can be rerouted if a particular path is unavailable. Every device connected to the internet has a unique identifier called an IP address. यह address एक street address की तरह act करता है, enabling data packets to be delivered to the correct destination. IP addresses are numerical, but we often use domain names like google.com, to access websites. The Domain Name System, or DNS, acts like a phone book for the internet. It translates human-readable domain names into numerical IP addresses. When you type a domain name into your web browser, your computer contacts a DNS server to look up the corresponding IP address. This process happens behind the scenes, so you don't have to remember long numerical IP addresses. The DNS system is essential for the user-friendliness of the internet, allowing us to access websites using memorable names instead of cryptic numbers. While the internet offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with certain risks. Cyber threats, such as viruses, malware, and phishing attacks, can compromise your personal information and privacy. It's crucial to adopt security measures to protect yourself while navigating the digital world. Encryption, a powerful tool here that scrambles data, making it unreadable to unauthorized individuals. When you access a website using HTTPS, your connection is encrypted, ensuring that your sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card details, remains secure during transmission. Firewalls act as barriers between your computer and the internet, blocking unauthorized access attempts. They examine incoming and outgoing network traffic, filtering out potential threats. Antivirus software scans your computer for malicious programs and helps remove them, protecting your device from malware infections. The internet is constantly evolving, with new technologies and trends emerging regularly. The Internet of Things, or IoT, 5G connectivity, and artificial intelligence, or AI, are some of the key advancements that are shaping the future of the internet. The IoT refers to a network of interconnected devices such as smartphones, wearables, home appliances, and vehicles. These devices collect and exchange data, creating opportunities for automation, efficiency, and improved user experiences. Imagine a world where your refrigerator automatically orders groceries. When you're running low, 5G connectivity offers significantly faster data speeds and lower latency compared to previous generations of mobile networks. This enhanced connectivity will enable new possibilities for streaming, gaming, virtual reality, and other data-intensive applications. AI is playing an increasingly important role in various aspects of the internet, from search algorithms to personalized recommendations. AI-powered chatbots can provide customer support, while machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends and patterns. The internet हमारी lives का एक integral part बन गया है, connecting us, informing us, and entertaining us. From the network of networks to the intricate processes of data transmission, the internet's inner workings are both fascinating and complex. As technology continues to advance, the internet will undoubtedly continue to evolve and shape our world in profound ways. Understanding how the internet works empowers us to use it more effectively and safely. By adopting appropriate security measures, we can mitigate risks and enjoy the myriad benefits that the internet has to offer. If you found this information useful, please like and share it with others to spread awareness about the amazing world of the internet.